Today we'll be learning the 6 circular functions of 45 degrees. Step 1. First locate 45 degrees on the unit circle, which is pi over 4, and you get square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2 over 2. As you can see below in the circle, the triangle will be a 45 degree triangle, which means that 2 of the sides will be equal. And to the left is how you get square root of 2 over 2. Step 2. Plug in the values for each function. Use the circular function for help if you need it. Step 3. Use the circular function. Below is the trigonomic functions to find the circular function of the degree. As you can see that once we plug in the variable, we will get the certain function. Step 4. Place each variable in its correct function. Step 5. Sine equals square root of 2 over 2. If we go back to step 3, it will show us that sine equals y. Y in the ordered pair is square root of 2 over 2. Step 6 is cosine, which is x in the trigonomic function, which is square root of 2 over 2. Tan is y over x, which is square root of 2 over 2 over square root of 2 over 2. And we have to simplify it, so we use square root of 2 over 2 times 2 over square root of 2, which equals 1 because we cancel out the 2's, and then we cancel out the square root sign, and 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Step 7 is cotangent. Cotangent is a reciprocal of tangent, which means it's the same thing but flip it. And this time it's the same answer because we have 2 of the same ordered pairs, square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2 over 2. Step 8 is cosecant, which is the reciprocal of sine, and secant, which is the reciprocal of cosine. So cosecant will be 1 over square root of 2 over 2, which is 1 over y. Secant will be 1 over square root of 2 over 2, which is 1 over x for cosine. We have to simplify it, so we would do 2 over square root of 2 times square root of 2 over square root of 2. So we would cancel out the 2's and get square root of 2 as the answer for cosecant and secant. And we have come to the end. This is how you have to find the 6 circular functions of 45 degrees.